Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is envelop. It's pronounced envelop, and it is spelt E-N-V-E-L-O-P. Think envelope, but without the E at the end. Envelope is the thing you put a letter in when you want to post it or hand it to someone. Envelop describes the action of wrapping up, covering, or surrounding something completely. For example, you could envelop yourself in a fluffy blanket in bed, or you could be enveloped in a big hug. Envelop comes from the old French envelopper, meaning envelop, cover up, fold up, and wrap up. The prefix en in French translates to in English. To envelop means to cover or surround something so that it is in something else. Did you know that the word envelope has the same origin as the word envelop? An envelope envelops a letter. Envelop is a verb and therefore a doing word. You could say the man was enveloped in a black cloak if he was covered completely by his cloak. Or you could say the plants enveloped the entire garden if they covered every inch of the garden. Envelop is defined in the dictionary as to cover or surround something completely. Envelop synonyms include surround, cover, enfold, enwrap, engulf, encase, enclose, and conceal. Antonyms include free, release, uncover, exclude, forget, and ignore. See if you can see anything enveloping something today. You could be enveloped by your duvet before you go to sleep, a bit like a hot dog in a bun. Or you could envelop a friend or a family member in a big hug. Either way, make sure you impress them by using your new word, envelop. Have a top day, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.